Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement, not only today, but yesterday too. And then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while over the past couple of days. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would consider the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $3 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 3, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area, and that sits down there at 285. So 3 and 285, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 3 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on that because in my opinion, that's doesn't even really matter that much. It's all about building higher bases because as long as higher bases are being built over time, that's how overall uptrends are built. And when overall uptrends are built, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So keyword there being overall. When the overall flow is upwards, then everything else is going to take care of itself. How do you get an overall flow upwards? Again, all goes back to building those higher bases. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.